Hi, I'm Dr. Aramli. I'm here to talk to you today about a course that I offer called Molecular and Mendelian Genetics. This course is offered in the spring of 2010 during the Gamma block. Students that wish to take this class should have successfully completed a general biology class. And in addition to the science component, I expect students to either be taking pre-calculus or advanced math at the same time. Or they could actually, you could be beyond. That's the minimum. You will receive honors credit, 0.5 credits at the successful completion of the course. This is a really great class if you like genetics. What we do is we start off very basic. I want to make sure everyone's at the same level, and we go through Mendelian genetics, and then we go beyond Mendelian genetics. And one of the mechanisms by which I help students sort of gain confidence and learn how to problem solve genetics problems is to use a fly lab simulation. And so we spend about a month using computer lab simulations. And so you'll be working in class and then maybe a bit outside of class to keep on track. This, I find, is a really great way for students to learn the basic concepts and a little bit more of the basic concepts, beyond the basics concepts in genetics. Of course, we'll be doing problem sets. We'll be having class discussions in between. We will have other kinds of laboratory exercises. How many bar bodies do you have? We actually do a cool little lab where we use your cheek cells to figure out the number of bar bodies you have in your cell. We, talk about aberrations in chromosome number, what happens when chromosomes are rearranged. We go beyond, we start to go beyond the basic genetics and extensions of Mendelian genetics. In addition to the sort of dry lab simulations, we do a lot of wet labs, and I'm really excited to be presenting to you some labs that we do. For example, you will be transforming bacteria with the green fluorescent protein that had been isolated from jellyfish. And so at the end, your product will be these green fluorescing bacteria. Scientists have even taken this further, and you now have green fluorescent mice, green fluorescent cats. If you go to Mystic Aquarium, you'll see that there are fluorescent fish as well. They're actually kind of neat. In addition to that, we'll be isolating DNA from your cheek or hair follicle cells, and we will be amplifying it using polymerase chain reaction, and then using gel electrophoresis will determine what your specific sequence is. So that's another really cool lab that we do. We'll also be looking at doing some restriction digest and who knows what else. Every year I do try to add new labs, and so but it's a pretty jam-packed course in terms of laboratory experiences and class discussions. So hope to see you. Thanks.